Welcome to the course Internet of Things and its application. Professor Bharat from Electronics and Communication Department. Chapter number 2, Machine to Machine Communication. Solution. IoT value chain. Let us take a closer look at the possible IoT value chain, including an information marketplace. So IoT value chain or information driven IoT value chain is mainly divided into 4 basic parts: inputs, production, manufacturing, processing, packaging, and distribution and marketing. Devices or sensors, open data or maybe OSS, BSS or corporate databases are asset informations, open data set, network. So these are the then processing and data combinations, information components, and information product. So input, first thing that is apparent for an IoT value chain is that there is a significant more input than for an M2M solution in the particular figure 3.34 illustrated here. Device or sensors, so these are very similar to the M2M solutions, device and sensors, and may in fact be built on the same technology as we will see later. So, however, the manner in which the data from these devices and sensors is used provide a different and much broader marketplace than machine to machine does. So open data is a increasingly important input to information value chain. A broad definition of open data define it as piece of data is open if anyone is free to use, reuse, and distribute it. Operational support system or business support system of mobile operator network are also important input to information value chain and are being used increasingly in the tightly closed information marketplace that allow operators to deliver service to enterprise. For example, where phone usage data is already owned by the company in the question. And corporate database, so companies of certain size generally have multiple corporate database covering various functions including supply chain management, payroll, accounting. Over the last decade, many of these databases with corporations have been increasingly interconnected using IP protocols. Production or manufacturing, manufacturing the production and manufacturing process for data in an IoT solution. The raw input described above will be undergone initial development into information components and produces product. Irrespective of input type described above, this process will need to include tagging and linking of relevant data items in order to provide provenance and traceability across the information value chain. Some examples are as follow: asset information, open data set, network information, and corporate information. Asset information may include data such as temperature over time of container during transmit and air quality during a particular month. Essentially, this relates to whatever the sensor device has been developed to monitor. Open data sets may include map, rail timetable, or demographic about certain areas in the country or cities. Network information related to information such as GPS data, services, access via mobile network. Corporate information may be, for example, the current state of demand, particular product, supply chain at a particular time. Processing, during the processing stage, data from various sources is mixed together at this point. The data from the various input from the production and manufacturing stage are combined together to create information. So this process involves the extensive use of data analytic for machine to machine and IoT solution, and it described in the more details. After the data from the various input has been combined together, the packaging sections of the information's value chains create information components. So these components could be produced as a chart or other traditional methods of communicating information to end users. In addition, however, they could be fed into knowledge management framework in order to create not just visualization of existing information but to create new knowledge for enterprising in the question area. Both the processing and packaging sections of the information driven global value chain are where information marketplaces will be developed. At this point, data sets with appropriate data tagging and Traceability could be exchanged with other economical sectors for feeding into their own information product development process natively. Distribution or marketing, the final stage of the information value chain, is the creation of information product. A broad variety of such products may exist, but they fall into two main categories: information product for improving internal decision making. So these information products are built of either detailed information analysis that allow better decision to be made during various internal corporate processes, or they enable the creation of previously unavailable knowledge about company's product strategy or internal process. Information product for resale to other economic actors. So these information products have high value for other economic actors and can be sold to them. So for example, through an IoT solution, a company may have market information about certain area of town that another entity can refer.